Hello, it's Frank. Here is our SMD processing base. Today I will show you the processing of our LED modules. Let's go. Hello. First step, I need to eliminate my static electricity. Actually, all the ground of our SMD code have a special layer to eliminate all the static electricity.
静电释放结束，安全。
Okay, come with me. Here is the oven room, and all the LED lamps come here. They need to set into the oven for 12 hours to dehumidifications, and then they will be sent to the. After 12 hours, they will be sent to the moisturizing room. This is the fridge for storing the milk. This is our water PCB board. After the SMD line, you will see a completed LED module. All the raw PCB board will be sent into the tin printer. The tin printer mainly to cover the tin on the surface of the PCB board. And the SPI system will detect whether all the tin is covered well on the surface. You will see the tin is covered well. And then all the ICs and the electronic components will be accurately placed on the surface of the PCB board. The PCB board will be placed into the reflow soldering box. After the reflow soldering box, all the ICs and the electronic component is fixed well on the surface of the PCB board, and our testing standard is all the ICs could be hold on 6 kg force. The same LED slide also need to go into the tin printer to cover the tin on the surface. And the SPI system will detect all the surface of the PCB board to confirm the tin is covered well. Okay, good. LED lamps. All the LED lamps will be accurately placed on the surface of the PCB board. And then the PCB board will be put into the reflow soldering box. It almost finished the SMD steps, and we have a nice air blower to eliminate all the static electricity. Okay, then we need to test the LED module.